Embark on a journey of discovery with London School of Planning and Management.
It's time to explore your path and unlock your potential with our diverse range of courses. From business to hospitality, finance to marketing, LSPM offers something for everyone. Whether you're passionate about numbers, creativity, or making a difference, we have the perfect course to fuel your ambitions. Dive into our dynamic learning environment, where expert tutors and industry-relevant curriculum ensure you're ready to excel in your chosen field. With LSPM, you'll not just earn a qualification, but gain the knowledge and skills needed to thrive in today's competitive world. Discover your passion, unleash your talents, and carve out your own path to success with LSPM courses. Your journey starts here. To apply, visit our website www.lspm.org.uk today.